Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a bread toast recipe. Generally we make a normal toast recipe, we put the egg and then the bread, but today I am going to make it in a very different way. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this bread toast recipe are, here I have taken 4 slices of bread and you can see I have cut the center of the bread in this round shape. You can also cut it in the square shape if you want. I have taken it out in the round shape. So 4 slices of bread, 2 eggs I have taken here. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to make this toast in this butter. You want it, you can add more butter if you like the taste of the butter. Here I have chopped half tomatoes here, 1 medium sized onion. This is mozzarella cheese. I'll be using mozzarella cheese in this recipe. You can also use the cheese cubes that we get. You can grate the cheese cubes and use. Salt as per our taste. Some green chilies. These are 2 green chilies and black pepper powder. So the first step that we are going to do, we will add this tomatoes, onion, chopped onions, green chilies, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. If you don't want it too much, then you can just sprinkle a little bit of black pepper powder. Salt as per our taste. Remember friends, I'll be using butter. Butter also contains salt, so just keep that in mind and add a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to beat this together. After mixing it properly, we'll also add this mozzarella cheese to this recipe. And now again mix it with this egg mixture. After mixing this, we are going to heat a pan. Here I am heating a pan. I will put butter in the pan. Reduce the heat to medium and then spread the butter nicely in the pan. Then we are going to add the sides of the bread. And then I will take this egg mixture and I will add this egg mixture in the center. Then I'm going to put this and gently press it. And let it get cooked for near about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we will flip this bread to the other side also. And again 30 seconds we'll cook this side also. Now we'll flip the other side and see whether it's done or not. Yes, this side is also done. So we will remove this from the pan. We will repeat the same procedure. We will take little butter. We'll put it in the pan. And then we are going to again add the sides. After adding the sides, we are going to add the egg mixture. After adding the egg mixture, we are going to cover it with this middle piece. Gently just press it, gently. And then leave it for 30 seconds. Now friends, we'll flip it on the other side after 30 seconds. Just press it gently this side also. Now I will flip and see the other side after 30 seconds. This side is also done, so I'm going to remove this in a plate. So I will repeat the same procedure for the other breads also. And here I have taken out 2 bread toast. So now I will do the remaining 2 breads. So now friends, here is our yummy toast ready. As you can see, this portion we have filled it with egg, and at the back it is like this. There was a little bit of extra mixture, so I have made one more. So I have made 5 slices, and I have cut 1 slice also. You can see, since I have added mozzarella cheese, it will be cheesy like this, and very yummy. So friends, very simple and easy recipe. Do try this at home for your breakfast. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.